Matrix operations. Number 1 is asking you to find the difference. Zooming this in, we will subtract same position from same position. So 5 minus 7 will give you negative 2. Negative 8 minus 3 is negative 11. 3 minus a negative 9 will be 3 plus 9, which is 12. Negative 3 minus 0 is negative 3. 0 minus 6 is negative 6. And 9 minus 8 is 1. And that's number 1. Going to number 4, solve the matrix equation. So let's take a closer look at that. So to get x by itself, I'll need to add this matrix to the other side. So I'll have this matrix plus this one. Now it's just matrix addition. Add same position to same position. 5 plus 3, negative 2 plus 2, 1 plus negative 5, and 3 plus 5 will give you 8, 0, negative 4, and 8. So let's type that in. So 8, 0, negative 4, and 8. And that's number 4. Number 5, find the value of each variable. So let's take a closer look at that. It wants us to find x first, and we see 2 equals 3x minus 4. So set those equal to each other, then add 4, then divide by 3, we get x equals 2. So let's type that in. So x equals 2. Now it wants us to find t. So let's do that. We can set 4 equal to 5 minus 10t. So let's do that. Now subtract 5 from both sides. You get negative 1 equals negative 10t. Divide both sides by negative 10, and you get t equals 0.1. It wants our answer as a decimal. So let's put that in. Typing in 0.1, and that's number 5. Number 6, find the matrix sum if possible. If not possible, explain why. Basically, they need to have the same dimensions. A plus B is possible. They have the same dimensions. So we just add them up. So 2 plus negative 5 is negative 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. 0 plus 3 is 3. Negative 2 plus negative 9 is negative 11. 3 plus 7 is negative 4. And 1 plus 8 is 9. And that's number 6. Number 8. A is asking for the order of the given matrix. It says you write it in the form of n by n, which is rows by columns. So we have 2 rows and 3 columns. So 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is part A. Now it says to identify A, 3, 2. So row 3, column 2. There is no row 3, column 2. So we're going to say it does not exist. Remember, there are 3 columns and 2 rows. So now it's asking for row 2, column 3. So first and second row, so here's the second row. Column 3 is right here, so negative 3 is that position. Because you remember, rows and then columns, it goes in order of rows and columns. And that's number 8. Number 9, find the product of 5c. So you're just multiplying everything by 5. So 1 times 5 is 5, 3 times 5 is 15, negative 9 times 5 is negative 45, and 5 times 1 is 5. And that's number 9. Number 10, find 2a plus 3b. So let's take a look at that. So we have 2 times matrix A plus 3 times matrix B. So let's multiply first. So 2 times matrix A and 3 times matrix B. So multiplying each of these by 2, you'll get 10, 16, 12, and 6 for the first one. And for the second, you'll get negative 12, 6, 18, and negative 21. And then you add them. Go from position to position. So 10 plus negative 12, 16 plus 6, 12 plus 18, and 6 plus negative 21, which gives you negative 2, 22, 30, and 15. So let's type that in. So typing in, I have negative 2, 22, 30, and negative 15. And that's number 10.